Here I am on another repair, and I stopped to let you guys see some of the things that I get to see from the perspective that I see it. And I really, even though it's, you know, not the way that a building wants to be seen from the top, but you see things more from the top than you would, or different than you would elsewhere. And really tall in the back. Been working on this roof. I went to see if we can keep it from leaking. It's been working on this thing for 20 years. Just a leak here and there. Not often. Sorry about all the wind and but I get to see everything that perspective that I might not see if I didn't do this kind of work. Anyway, all the best to you guys. I wish you all the best and all the adventure. See ya.